Hey everybody, I hope everybody's doing good. We're having got some bad weather coming in. I got my weather radio on over there. I hope it's not bothering anybody. Thought we'd take a little closer look at this Ruger Ranch rifle. Little bolt action rifle. You've seen videos on it. Let me turn this around so I can make sure I'm in frame. You've seen the videos on it. It is unloaded. I safety check all my rifles before I get to them here. It's got a 5-round detachable magazine. Let's start off by taking a look at this stock. You have two points right here where it screws into the action. The stock is unique as it's got two metal blocks, kind of like pillow blocks right here, and it works kind of like woodcutters when they used to use those crosses, those sawhorses with the crosses like that to hold the logs. It's the same principle, and it really works well holding these barrels still. It's also got contact points here where it screws into the action, and it's got like these mortises. You can see them there, hopefully. Right here and here, here and here, where those pillows make contact, keep this barrel in action from moving around. And when you torque it down, it really makes a good solid lockup. Now the stock is, it's polymer, flimsy, but it's got your crosses in here that give it a little bit of stabilization, and it is fully free-floated. So it does really well. Another thing to notice here too is this little old barrel. It's not exactly what you call a pencil barrel. It's by no means a bull barrel, but it is kind of a heavy contour barrel. It's yeah. In other words, when you're out there shooting, it's not going to throw two shots close together and then heat up and start spreading the shots out like those little pencil barrels do. Have you ever noticed that? With those little thin barrels, you can get about two shots close together and then they start spreading out. That's because your barrel gets hot. This one right here, it's a little bit thicker, heavier contour, and it dissipates heat better. These little rifles are made to set up on prairie dog town or something and sling, several shots in a row. Over on this side, it's got your bolt release right here. Just pull your bolt back. All you got to do is push right here. Oh, you need 3 hands to do these videos sometimes. You push in right there and your bolt just slides straight out. Now you've got a big, thick, heavy-duty 3-lug bolt here. It ain't going to wear out anytime soon. You don't have to push or pull or do nothing to put it back in. All you do is just put your bolt back in. It's got your safety back here on the back, 2-position safety. back safe, and forwards fire. This barrel has a 1 in 8 twist rate, which stabilizes bullets pretty well. It'll stabilize some of the heavier bullets. It's not particularly ammo picky, this gun. It shoots everything pretty good. But here's what it absolutely loves. The 55 grain Hornady VMAX. It'll put these 5 shots in one hole. One ragged hole. Just about from 50 to 100 yards. Yeah, 5 shots in one ragged hole just about every time. You know, as long as you do your part. I've got some that I hand loaded, and it also shoots these the same way. They're the 55 grain VMAX. Just my hand loads. These are 75 grain Hornady hollow points. I know the box says Federal Fusion, but they're not. That's just a box that I had that I put these in. I'll label them too here, what they are. So those are 75 grain hollow points. And it stabilizes them real good too, and shoots them well, accurately. It will stabilize. I really haven't tried anything higher than a 77 grain hollow point, but it did stabilize that 77 grain bullet. But these here, the 75 grainers, they shoot a little bit better out of it. These little 50 grainers, it likes those too. It likes just about everything, but this right here is its candy. That's what it does the best with. Now that's just this particular rifle, as you know. All rifles are different. It even shoots this 55 grain Tula ammo. If you remember this, I think we don't get it in anymore because of politics, but yeah, it does good with that. Yeah, the rifle's a good shooting gun. I enjoy it. I just wanted to, got too much stuff in my hands. There it is. I just wanted to show you guys how everything fit together here. Put the stock back on. Hopefully I'm still in frame. A Wheeler fat wrench. They're good to set your torques with. Yeah, got us a Burris 50. I think it's 3 to, I don't know how far, but yeah, looks like a 3 to 9 by 50 scope on it. Real good setup. When I first got it, I was shooting it right before dark one day. It was dusty outside, and I noticed about 1.5 foot or 2 foot of flame coming out the front of the barrel here. So every time I'd shoot, so I put that flash hider on it, kind of tame some of that down. It works pretty good. Got your Red Hawk Ruger right there on the. Got a nice squishy butt pad on it. Desert tan stock. I think a flat dark earth is what they call that. But yeah, it's a good little rig. I just wanted to get it out and show you guys today, kind of talk about it a little bit. I did a little short video on it, but I didn't get into none of the particulars. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.